Good morning. Saturday morning. And it's nice and beautiful out. And we just put these rock sliders on, but one of the things Randy doesn't like is the pinch seam that runs right in here. She kind of feels like she wants to cover this up. So we looked a little bit to try to find something that wouldn't add additional weight, and this is what we found. It is a cosmetic piece, self-adhesive tape. It's called Bushwacker, and cover the pinch seams. So looking at the piece of plastic here, you can see where the self-adhesive tape is. The end pieces over here are going to attach. I can see it's right at the base, so you got to make sure you clean this area through here. It goes across the top here on the steps, so make sure you clean this area. The next strip goes against this lip right here, so make sure that is clean and dry. Then there's a strip that goes across here, so top side and outside tub are the places that you're going to have to make sure are very clean. Let's go ahead and dry it one more time. Make sure everything's dry. Okay. Once everything's dry, you're going to take the pieces and you're going to take off your tape. Now, the last thing I want to do is drop this. The long one goes to the front door, the short one goes to the bottom door. You're going to carefully get it ready, because once it goes on, it should be pretty much going on. I would recommend sitting underneath and making sure you're lining up your bolts, because that's the most crucial thing, is lining up your bolts. So we are going to probably lightly put it on. I'm gonna put the bolts in. What I would recommend that you do is put at least one bolt on each thing, line it up, and mark it, because having live tape and then having to attach this may cause an issue. Okay, I have my screws just hand tight so that I can tuck this up on there, and that way I know that I'm lined up correctly. It's Phillips head screw. So I'm going to tuck this up on there. Once you have everything on there, it's kind of a one-shot process. I really don't like the way that it bows. Nothing's tight, but it's snug. What would a video be without Duke barking? Alcohol. Not that kind of alcohol. Clean the top. That's a contact point. Clean this rail. That's a contact point. Clean the side. That's a contact point. Clean the very front down at the bottom. That's going to be a contact point. See how dirty it is? These are pretty easy. They're just little clip-ons. I just spread them open a little bit with the screwdriver, then they pop in place. They do move around a little bit, so you don't have to worry about your holes being perfectly aligned, because as long as you're somewhat aligned, you should be good. They just pop in. The only thing you don't want to do with these is over tighten them, because they're not made to be torqued. And in our case, the rock bars are going to be holding the bottom on. Bushwacker. Pinch seams cover. Gonna fix that. Bushwacker, pinch seam cover. Bushwacker, pinch seam cover. Easy install. Do it before you put your rock sliders on. Otherwise you'll have to take your rock sliders back off. I'm Matt. Thanks for watching. Quick, short, easy upgrades for your Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. FloridaJeepRides.com.